bless Africa, shine your light on us. From the north to the south, we rise together. Peace and harmony, hope and prosperity. We were born from one soul and one sun. Ulungulu, sipe utando, sipramanda, silanganise. Give us love, give us strength. Unite us, unite us. Mungu wetu, tupe amani, tupe upendo, tunganishe. Give us peace, give us love. Unite us, unite us. One Africa, one people, one people, one future. Hey, Africa rise, Africa shine. One people, one people, one future. Hey, Africa rise, Africa shine. From Congo to Soweto, from Kenya to Mali, hear the drums of Africa calling every nation. Gold beneath the mountains, diamonds in the rivers, but the greatest treasure is the people of Africa. Different tribes, different languages, different colors, but one heartbeat. God bless Africa, shine your light on us. From the north to the south, we rise together. Peace and harmony, hope and prosperity. We were born from one soil under one sun. One Africa, one people, one people, one future. Hey, Africa rise, Africa shine. One people, one future. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. No more fighting brother against brother. No more hatred in the streets. We can build tomorrow if we stand together today. Raise your hands for Africa, raise your voice for unity. Because stronger than gold is the love between the people. I hear the drums of West Africa. Hey, I hear the songs of East Africa. Hey.